Well, next up today is a Cosmic Grey Ep3 Civic, and Richard's already given the lads the tour, so they've seen the K-Swap Colt and the K-Swap EG and the FN2 and all the other things in, including the S50 we've got in at the moment. So they're already loving it, and now it's time to map this. So ECU exchange will happen after our standard power run. Richard's going to run me over. That's a beauty, ain't it? Here we go. Okay, she's in the dyno cell, she's strapped down. First thing we're going to do is a stock power run, see where she's at. At that point, we'll do an ECU exchange and we'll start tuning. Yeah, it looks a beautiful car, Cosmic Grey, what's not to like? Okay, so standard power run done. Yeah, standard power run done, and it made 212 brake horsepower, which is not a bad start at all. Richard's done an ECU exchange, so now he's ready to start map-a-lapping, as we call it. And this is car number 2 today.
Car number 2.
Car number 2. But like
if you're going at this rate, I want a wage rise.
Yeah, you're not getting one of them, mate. You can have one of them in 4 years' time when the paint shop's paid us back.
Yeah, you're not having nothing until that paint
I'm just hoping that I can survive long enough to see some profit.
Well, yeah, I don't know about that.
Right, let's get on with it. What a beautiful Cosmic Grey EP3 this is. Okay, second EP3 of the day, Cosmic Grey, looking lovely, mapped up really nicely, Richard.
Yeah, definitely my favourite colour.
Yeah, it's my favourite
colour. I like the grey one.
It's my favourite colour.
Yeah, lovely car,
got a, but actually the original intake pipe, just with a decent comb filter on it, a bit of a heat shield. Got a 4-to-1 manifold on it. It's got a decent exhaust on it. It looks like it's got like an M2 inlet manifold on it. You know, a cheapy sort of manifold on it. With a throttle body, and yeah, it's done really, really well. We've come out at 240 today, which I'm
230. It made 200 at the wheels. I think it made 237 brakes.
237 brakes. So near enough 240.
Fantastic. Well, you can have that if you want.
I could definitely have that.
You can have that. Tuner's prerogative.
Prerogative. Nearest damn it 240. But I think it's done really, really well. Car sounds crisp. The graphs lovely and smooth. You know, if you compare the graphs from the one that we previously did this morning, obviously we were saying with dips in it, and obviously you can feel and see those restrictions. You can almost hear those restrictions in the exhaust tone as well. When you get used to listening to it, you sort of hear those restrictions. You hear it sort of dial down and then come back up. And obviously, as you're mapping, you can see those restrictions obviously in your fueling tables. Instead of having a lovely smooth curve on your fueling table, you're obviously pulling fuel out because you've got a restriction, and then you're putting more fuel in and taking it out. And basically, as the graph goes up and down, the fueling table almost mirrors that. With this, you know it's going to make good power when you do your initial run. And it just continues to make
like
power.
you said, it's crisp, isn't it? It's nice, and it didn't half drop some flames out the back of it, and that's my favourite bit.
Yeah,
I'm not going to deny it.
No, I think the customer will be well and truly happy with that from how it came in. I think we said we've got a 67 brake in the mid range.
In the mid range, it's at 6,000 RPM, where it dips off on Vtec. There's like 67 brake horsepower.
Which is a lot. You know, it's a hell of a lot of power in that mid range. You know, should totally transform this car.
Bit of track day action.
I'm sure he'll leave us a review.
Oh, I would like a review. That would be nice.
Should we have a look at the graph?
Come on, let's have a look at the graph, Richard. Okay, lovely power curve. So as you can see, power made right across the rev range. Extended the rev limit out to 8.6, lowered that VTEC. We've got that massive amount of power gain in the mid range, and as you can see, we finish on 230. I'll call it that 237, just shy of 200 brake horsepower at the wheels. That's a good one. That's in the bag. Happy with that. Cosmic Grey Ep3, obviously your Cosmic Grey is your code word for today. Any final words, Richard?
No.
No? Well, we'll see.
I think I've said everything I want to say.
Well, yeah, okay. For what? For the entire day?
No. As regards this car.
Oh, well, wishful thinking. Right, we'll see him on the next one, won't we, mate?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.